Understanding Human Resources, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very important term in the business world, human resources. Whether you're working in a company or just curious about business terms, understanding what human resources means is essential. Let's dive in. Human resources, HR, refers to the department within an organization responsible for managing everything related to its employees. This includes hiring, training, managing employee benefits, and ensuring that workplace policies are followed. Think of HR as the bridge between the company and its employees, ensuring that both sides are well taken care of. 1. Recruitment and hiring. One of the primary roles of HR is to find and hire the right people for the company. 2. Training and development. HR is responsible for providing training to employees to enhance their skills and performance. 3. Employee relations. HR handles any issues or disputes between employees and the company. 4. Managing employee benefits. This includes things like health insurance, pensions, and vacation days. 5. Ensuring legal compliance. HR ensures that the company follows all labor laws and regulations. Human resources is crucial because it helps in building a strong workforce that contributes to the success of the company. A good HR department ensures that employees are satisfied, productive, and engaged, which in turn benefits the overall health of the organization. Myth: HR is only about hiring and firing. Truth: HR is involved in many aspects of employee management and development. Myth: HR is not important in small companies. Truth: even small companies need someone to manage employee-related tasks, whether it's a formal HR department or not. I hope this video helped you understand the concept of human resources. Remember, HR is a vital part of any organization, ensuring that the workplace is productive, harmonious, and compliant with laws. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.